Title: Gig, the flexible world of short-term work. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gig. A gig refers to a short-term job or project, often in the freelance or gig economy. It's a term that represents the flexibility and variety of work opportunities in the modern world. Pronunciation: pronouncing gig is simple, gig, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, many people turn to gigs as a way to earn income by offering services such as driving, graphic design, or food delivery. Importance: gigs have become a significant part of the job market, offering flexibility and diverse opportunities for work, making them an important aspect of today's employment landscape. Conclusion: in summary, gig is a word that reflects the dynamic and adaptable nature of modern work. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the world of gigs and the opportunities they provide in today's job market.